let's see how is the web page editing experience looking on a phone. This is my DIY website admin panel, and these are all my web pages. I will edit the home page clicking the pencil button, and this is my home page here. So I can see those plus buttons on the left and gearboxes on the right. This is giving me the borders of every section, but I can add more sections, like using the plus sign and, for example, add an image. Then down below I can add a different component on my page using the plus sign and add a map. Then I can further use the plus sign, and I can use those plus signs up, and if I'd like to add something in between the image and the map, I can do so. Let's see a YouTube video. Now this is how we add components on the page, and every component has that pencil button where I can click the pencil button, and additional options will pop up where I can select a different image, for example like that, and my newly uploaded image is on the page. Now I can also edit the text. Editing the text is simple. I just click here and I have the phone keyboard where I can type. If I select the text, I have additional options on top for formatting the text, and I can also use the Google voice typing to save some time, because hey Google, type something for me. Yes, it's working, so I can type text by just saying random words here, and then eventually read articles like that. Okay, I'll just stop it. Again, selecting the text, different formatting options on top. And also I can reorder these components on the page. For example, if I want to move the video, just select here. If I want to move the video above the image, I can use that gearbox here. Use the up arrow to move the video on top. If I'd like to remove something, again, that gear icon here, and remove it from the page. Now when I'm finally done with the page editing, I can go up and publish the page, so that page will be publicly saved and publicly available to everyone to see it with the new changes.